Hello, and welcome to Modern Business with me, Ashley Hayes. I am so excited to introduce you to our first course, The Fundamentals of Creative Entrepreneurship. I've been running my creative business for over 7 years, and this course is designed to tell you everything I know about launching and sustaining your creative business. First, let me tell you a little bit more about me. I'm a poet and spoken word artist, and I make the majority of my income by providing art services to colleges, universities, and corporations. My best selling product is the performance of poetry. I travel all over the country performing poetry for audiences of literally all ages. I am not only the primary artist and employee at my business, but I'm also the CEO, CFO, bookkeeper, purchaser, administrator, and almost anything you can think of. The question I get asked most is, how did you get started and how do you keep going? I'm going to walk you through how to begin and the best practices for sustaining your business. So let's get into what you can expect to learn in this course. The learning goals I've set forth for you are to gain fundamental tools to begin or continue monetizing your art, to learn effective ways to build your audience and identify your product menu, to understand what it takes to establish your business on paper and as a digital presence, to gain fundamental accounting skills, including budgeting, cash flow management, and tax best practices, and to learn how to quote your services, establish professional boundaries, and manage client expectations. Let's start with the basics. Pursuing art as a business is like starting any business. It's a departure from traditional career culture where you work consistent hours for a single employer and receive a fixed salary. And it is scary business. It takes an immense amount of courage to depart from tradition and to really trust that the creative gifts that we have are enough to sustain ourselves. But I fundamentally believe that you can make a brilliant living in your art. I am living proof of that. And I'm here to debunk some popular myths about doing art as business, including the myth of the starving artist. There's a general misconception that it's either feast or famine, that you're either Beyonce or you're couch surfing, and that is just not true. The myth of the unprofessional artist. We do not have a good reputation when it comes to handling business. People think you can either be good at art or good at business. I want to change that. The myth of the successful artist as a sellout. There's this nasty rumor out there that if you do make a living or find success in your art, that somewhere along the way you sold out, that you had to compromise your morals and beliefs. And I don't think that has to be the case. Now that we've laid a foundation for what you can expect, let's get into part one.